Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. Thanks for tuning in again. We are at the gas station. Car's been clean all week. It's a little dusty, but I do gotta clean it up and wipe it down because we are headed to another meet today. And got some of the boys coming with me. We're gonna be meeting up with Robert, who you guys saw has the M6, and our boy Idris with that individual Topaz F80. With my girl, she's gonna be coming with us today. So hopefully you guys enjoy today's content. Hopefully it should be a cool little meet. It is for like the Stop Asian Hate, because there has been a lot of hate crimes going on. So you know, to show support and show that we can all come together, they're throwing this meet, so that should be pretty cool. Hopefully there's a huge turnout. I know a lot of famous people are going to this one. What's up, guys? What's up, bro? How's it going? Yeah, I swear, dude, I saw you on Balboa. I was like, and I heard you pop like your exhaust, and I was like, damn.
Left me hanging, bro. This is gonna be like to zoom in on that.
Hello, hello. Cheers.
You're gonna have to zoom in on that.
Do the sad music and shit with the slow-mo. Alright, so small little update. Finally met up with the boys, but we are waiting for one more. Kevin, slow ass, and his E90 M3 or E92 M3. Always lagging it last minute. Sheesh. Oh, baby. My boy. He riding clean.
There are cars everywhere. FaceTime.
Turn left on South Santa Fe Avenue.
This shit crazy. You guys, looks like there's a bunch of cars parked on the side right here. There's a bunch of cars across the street too. And the Urus is behind us too. That's funny.
I feel like we've been here before, no?
Yeah. There's a shitload of cars here. Damn. Fresh kicks right there. Sheesh. Oh, there's so many crazy cars.
Robert been here too.
Yeah. That's what I'm trying to say. There's cops right here too. Everybody's about to start mobbing out, I guess. Yeah, my car's right here off to the side, bro. Right where they're all exiting.
Oh, already had to deal with that. So that's why their rear diffuser is crazy long. For sure. Yeah, Colbert's a good guy.
Quickstrike.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I would never expect to see him here.
Yeah.
I was so surprised.
GT2 RS looking beautiful.
Somebody gave me this much attention. Already did it, bro.
Oh, it's J-Crate, bro. J-Crate. That's sick. Hey,
Look at that focus.
Another piece of scrape, bro.
oh yeah?
Yeah, bro. That mark right there. That mark, right? Where is it? Right there, that gray mark.
Yeah.
With the other piece, bro.
You saw the port?
Yeah.
This way, bro.
That pressure though. Too low for the show,
Yeah,
bro.
bro. That shit's sick, bro. Let's go three-wheeled real quick. Damn, we got another piece of it.
The freeway about to be lit, bro.
Damn, bro, I'm trying to be like that with you, bro. Yo, what are you doing? watching all the cars leave. I don't know, because right now, like, Ben Baller and everybody's like leaving the driveway right here. They're making a right. All right, little bit of an update. So there's a second location where everyone's going to drive to right now and meet up there. So we just put the address in the GPS, and we're gonna head out to the second spot. So hope you guys are enjoying the cars, man. This is crazy. Everyone's revving and backfiring. It's insane. Try to get some more footage of the cars on the freeways. Looks like there's a lot of traffic, but stay tuned. Woo. Beautiful, bro. Damn. Goals. And then we got my boy. We got Kevin. We got Kevin's car right here. He's gonna let us in right now. What up, my boy? Jeez, that feels so low. So low. He's on bags and still drives low. I love it. I love it. You guys, so we actually had to park across the second parking lot because it got too full. So we're gonna go ahead and cross over and go meet up with everybody else over at the main parking lot. Bruh, how was the freaking parking, bro?
I found a spot right up in the front, but it's 15 minutes.
Oh wow, look at this beauty. Oh my goodness, got the HREs too. This color's nice, like a chalk gray. Damn. Crazy ass lineup right here outside of McDonald's. Oh, damn, you brought the pooch? Damn, no, bro.
Not on the Rari.
Not on the Rari. Damn.
Right in the front over there.
I got you, baby girl. What up, baby?
What up, Papa?
How are you?
Hell yeah. Now we gotta wait for one more, man. We're waiting to meet up with Robert right now. Damn. We had to stop and take a look at this. That's pretty sick. This is Bay's future car, huh? Oh, baby, this is you? This is yours? I don't mind this one either. V12. Woo! Damn, you guys. This shit is hella packed. Go. Ooh! We got the Mazda RX-7 from Fast and Furious. D Toretto, you see the plate? Damn. And see some crazy ass cars right now. Oh look, Kevin's here. Damn, they must have came early. Woo! Damn, my boy's here. Dude. Damn. This one got a lot of work done in like just a few weeks, which is crazy. The car's looking so good. Looks nice, bro. Kevin's here. Damn, we got some drones in the sky. Woo! SLS. Bruh. Don't even see these no more.
This is the good parking right here.
This is why we're here. But this place is packed, bro. Do you see all the stores that are here though?
Yeah, they're getting money today, bro.
Oh my god. Got the floating center caps too. That shit's sick. Yeah. Beautiful Cullinan. These are crazy in person. Hey, it's a sign. It's a sign, you guys. To the moon. Oh my lord. We got... Wow. crazy cars. Oh my god. These are like $1 million cars. Yeah, this shit's nuts. Oh my god, bro. Look at the fucking seats. Look at the fucking seats on this. Oh my god. That shit crazy. Woo! Zonda. Wow. I don't think I'm ever gonna see this car again. So beautiful. Oh my god, so much carbon. The whole body is made of carbon. Wow. Oh my god. Yeah. Wow. Wow. We got a blue one too. That's sick. He's got a GoPro on the back. Those are all golds. Oh my god, those are like video game cars, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, you guys, well, we are heading out. Still a big ass crowd here. A lot of people are leaving now though, and there's a lot more police here, so probably best thing to do is to dip right now. But shout out to the boys for coming out with me today, and my girl for coming out, dealing with all the car stuff again. Yes.
Stop Asian hate.
Yes, you guys, come on, let's all come together. Everybody's equal out here. Please like this video, subscribe to your boy. I will be posting more content very soon. Gonna be trying to do something every weekend, so also follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put all the boys' Instagrams in the descriptions too.
Don't forget to check out that Tesla behind you.
Oh my god. Yeah. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks guys. Peace.